The first tip is to put a chamfer on wherever it is you're going to thread. This gives the die a good start.
When using the die, it's always best to have that split there in the most open position possible. But by doing that, you just tighten it up there like I am, and it actually opens that gap up there. So it's at its maximum diameter. Always start off in that position, and then gradually loosen this centre one off, and then tighten the other two up just a little bit at a time with each cut that you make with the die. Always remember to keep the area around the thread cutting clean as you can and well lubricated. Okay, now you've defrazed the top of the shaft, now's the time to get your die. So the next thing to do is to lubricate the top of that and simply die that down pays to be patient. And that's going down nice and smooth. So I'll take it down to around about 10 mil, 12 mil now. Let it cut so far, and then back out. Take it back out. Like so. And then again, the process again is to take all the little bits of metal that get trapped in there. Also brush the top of that. And then some more lubrication. Like I say, it's just old engine oil from the Honda that I'm using on this. It seems to serve well as lubrication. So with plenty of lubrication, go back in with the die. Between each increment of cut with the die, always try the nut on between each cut until you get the perfect fit.